Ooh, Beer Master, the Car Master. We have a key here for a Kia Sportage. This goes for 2022, but it goes for many years and many model Kias. So if you have that style, I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This one's a little different. We got these styles and we got this style. I'm going to show you how to do them in another video. But if you have this style, it's pretty neat, pretty nice. I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing is to get the cover off of this. So what I do is get a screwdriver, not the side where the button is, but the other side. Flip it up that way. Put a little pressure on this upward. It pops out. Sometimes it's easier than said. And right here you get these 4 Phillips heads. You can see it's circular, so that's the battery under there. So you can use an eyeglass screwdriver or very, very small Phillips and work them out. This one's not really small enough. Like I said, the eyeglass ones are better. All right, so we got 3 out already. These are very small screws and you don't want to lose them, so you want to put them in a different place, somewhere safe. Take the lid off. And there is the battery, so we want to get that out. We're going to use a very fine screwdriver. There's a little spring there, so we're going to kind of do it opposite. And that will come out. That popped right out. And this here is, let's see what model it is. So it's a 2032. And we're going to get one from the pharmacy or wherever, hardware supply. We're going to put it right back in. It's going to slide in. We're going to put the cap back on, put that on, and then put the cap back on opposite. So that's how it's done. Pretty easy on this model. Please stay tuned for check for my other videos on the other keys. And now I got to go pick a battery up and just screw it all back together. Make sure that this side's on the bottom and the side with the numbers is on the top. I believe that's the positive side. Put it back in. Joe Beer Master, Car Master. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.